teammate.
Oh my god.
What is up, everyone? I'm back with a new video. It's been so long since I made a video, but I hit 20 subscribers. So I decided to make a YouTube video on promoting YouTube a community world. Alright, let me show you.
There's a big pitch behind you.
Imagine using boxing gloves
Brother, move. Hey, bro, can I get this? Thank you, bro.
Like y'all get clipped by it, like y'all get destroyed by it.
Hello. Oh, y'all, so today I'm making a brand Pokemon characters. Right here.
No, because that was like the most
It's been so long since I made one, but we're going to Community Central.
Oh, you a fighter.
See you there.
Yo, get out of here, you French fry.
What is that all
You
about?
can change the color. And hey, if you don't like
I
that
ain't put
product,
this in it.
here's my second product. I have a walking golf course.
Alright.
Oh, let me see.
It's supposed to be on
This is
hard,
actually
but
pretty
it's
cool.
not.
His name's Jimothy.
Yeah, it's not. I'm joining that late. I'm here in the new update. This is mice.
I
I
wish I
want
could
to
access
show
anniversary
you
from
around.
here, but I can't.
Most
Alright,
So,
well,
my
you.
headset kind of died. That's my fault.
No, you're alright, you're alright. I'm making a YouTube video to promote this. Hi! Everyone who wants... oh! Alright, I gotta go meet up with the gang and to see if they can tell what they can... Oh, is this the escape? Yep. Yo!
Yo,
I'm
What?
making a YouTube video to promote this.
yo, bro.
Eat it.
Comically large camera, bro.
Alright. That's a soundboard. Hey, you want to say anything to the view? Want to say anything to the viewer?
Alright guys. So he just got clipped. I'll leave you at that.
What? You didn't have to clap. You didn't have. I can't grab the camera now. I'm just gonna stay here until the round ends. Oh, there was one rat in there, but I can't tell.
Yeah, I need y'all to help me find some of his mouses.
Oh no! Give me back my camera.
Yeah, bro, I
Give me back my camera.
Oh, I found one of them.
Give me back my camera.
Found one of them.
Give me back my camera. Give me back my camera.
Alright guys. So we observed the mouse. He's trying.
Alright, I'm back. Oh, there's the cat. I have 15 minutes, and I'm gonna spend those 15 minutes making this video. Shout out to this community world. They made a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna tell you some leaks that that's gonna happen in the new update that they're having. Leak number 1. It's gonna be something underneath. Not underground, but yes, it's underground. Leak number 2. It's like pretend that you're in a war, and then you, or like toxic gas comes and you go downstairs. Yeah, that's what it is. The basement. I believe he's gonna add that. But one of the staff members said like,
Bro,
he
you
promised,
low-key
like,
got
we're gonna
slammed
be
out
doing
by
like a,
Now watch.
like,
low-key got
Intriguing.
slammed. You thought you
like
could
a-
escape.
I don't know.
Yo,
Like
how
an
did you
arcade.
get so many crumbs? How'd you get so
Everyone, come where I'm at. Come where I'm at. I
pieces
want to say
because
anything to
I'm
the views.
special.
Who wants to say anything to the views? Who wants to
Hold
say
on,
anything to the
Maxwell.
views?
Yo, bro, I got you on camera, bro. I used your camera to get you like a 360 angle.
Alright, we're here. We're here at the new. Oh, that's too bright. We are here, and I'm smooth. Is that one of the staff members? Wait, I think I know who it is. Come. Yup, I knew it. It's him.
What do you think you're doing, pal? You're supposed to be hiding.
Run away! Juke! Well, I'm dead. Oh. There he is. He almost died. But the cat failed. Also, I know it's like something. I know it's like something from you. No, I couldn't make it. Well, let me try again. I'm friends with the cat, the staff member. Minutes. Oh.
There he is.
I'm back. It just left out of the app, if you can see it. Alright, I'm friends with him.
Why was that so
Do you guys
funny?
want to say anything? Do you guys want to say anything to the viewers?
Yeah, my headset's very low since, my headset just died.
Hey,
It's
is
like-
there a way I could get stuff?
I just wanted to.
I'm the cat now. Oh, he's huge. Enough of that. Again. 3, 2, 1, boom. The cat has been awake. The cat is awake.
Why isn't the round ending?
Why is it the round ending?
The round's supposed to end.
Round's supposed to end? I think someone died. Alright. Alright. Only have 15 minutes left. Before my last minutes, when I get off. Subscribe, come on.
Oh, there we go.
Subscribe. We're not done yet. Oh, well, I think my time's up. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you later in the next video. Bye.